Welcome to Lesson 5 of HTML with Coduo. By this point, you're already well on your way to understanding HTML. You may start noticing that you'll be using a few tags 99% of the time, and after some practice, you won't even have to think twice about what they look like. Don't stress if you're not there yet, it'll come with practice. Let's learn about another very commonly used tag, the link tag. The link tag allows you to make certain text or images link to another web page. To create a link, we use what are called anchor elements. An anchor is represented by the A tag. But we need to tell our anchor what website to link to. To do this, we use the hypertext reference or href attribute of the A tag. Alright, deep breath, we just threw a bunch of confusing terms at you. Let's talk it through slowly. Tags can have attributes, which are like options or settings you can apply to them. The A tag has an option that lets you specify where it should link or point to. For example, if I wanted to create an anchor or link to Facebook, I'd write ahref equals www.facebook.com. Facebook, closing A tag. The A tag tells the browser, I'm going to link somewhere. The href of the A tag says this is where I'm linking to. The text in between the opening and closing A tag says, this text is what the user must click to go to the link. Good luck on your objectives. See you in the next lesson.